Part 4. Fitting the watch hands, cleaning the watch case with its pushers and refitting of the movement. The previous video showed the fitting and securing of the watch dial. This was accomplished by pushing down the dial fasteners on both sides. Now we will continue with the accurate positioning and adjustment of the watch hands. The hands fitting press with 3 brooches and interchangeable dies from Horotec is the perfect tool for this job. It comes with 8 different screwed dies made of Delrin. These are easy to change. Let's get it on. The hands on the dial, that is. We start by setting the time until the date changes. Carefully go on, but stop instantly when the date has changed. Next, we place the hours hand at 12 o'clock. Be as accurate as possible. Gently push down the hours hand using the die with the biggest diameter. We'll be doing the same with the minutes hand. For this, use a die with a smaller diameter. Check the alignment of the hours and minutes hand at different hour settings and check if the date changes at exactly 12 o'clock. Test the date changing mechanism. Use the die with the smallest diameter for the placement of the seconds hand. Align and carefully push down these small watch hands, they are very fragile. Push in the winding stem to check the functioning of the seconds hand. Now place the minutes totalizer hand. And the hours totalizer hand. Last but not least, place the chronograph hand. Test the chrono mechanism and movement of the watch hands. Be sure the minutes totalizer hand jumps to 1 minute when the chrono has run for 1 minute. And check whether all chrono hands reset perfectly when resetting the chronograph mechanism. Nice! Last check of the hands alignment and date changing system. Now the movement is ready to be placed back in its case. But first we need to clean the case and chronograph pushers. As you can see, the bottom pusher has a hard time popping back into place. The upper one is still okay. We will show you how to disassemble and clean a chronograph pusher. Remove the pusher by unscrewing the flat screw on the inside of the watch case. Remove the screw. Push out the pusher using a pair of tweezers. Don't forget to remove the little spring inside the tube. You can clearly see the dirt that has gathered inside. Most of the dirt can already be removed using a needle, toothpick, or in this case an obsolete oil-giving tool. Clean the watch case and pusher in an ultrasonic bath for 15 minutes and let dry. Now the watch case is clean, ready for the pusher to be fitted again. Start by placing back the little spring. Apply grease evenly on the rubber gasket of the pusher. The grease you can use is Valjoux UT18, but many others are also available out there. Don't forget to apply some thread locking to the pusher, to prevent it from coming loose. For this I use Loctite 270. Next, evenly apply grease, Valjoux UT18, to the outside of the tube. Place back the pusher and gently screw it down from the inside of the case. By using Loctite, the pusher surely won't come loose. Therefore, it's not recommended to screw it down too tight. Also, to prevent the screw should break off. Apply sealing grease to the rubber gasket of the winding stem. And place it back in the tube. Now we can place the watch movement back in its case. But first we need to remove the winding stem. Carefully push down the setting lever and simultaneously gently pull back the winding stem. Use an air blower to remove any dust particle from the watch dial and carefully place the watch case over the movement. Turn the movement upside down. Apply grease Valjoux UT18 to the sealing gasket of the winding stem. Place back the winding stem and simultaneously carefully push down the setting lever. Check if the winding stem is fitted well. Place back the case clamps with their screws. And make sure these screws are screwed down tightly. Finally, we can place back the oscillation weight with its new ball bearing. How to change the ball bearing you will see in the next video. As you can see, the ball bearing fits nice and tight to the oscillation weight, as it should be. Now the complete watch maintenance of this beautiful Breitling Chronomat has been done. Yes, I know, we still need to place the watch case back and sealing gasket. Apply sealing grease to the sealing gasket of the watch case back. Place the sealing gasket in the watch case and make sure it is fitted nicely. Screw on the watch case back. For this I will use the special Breitling case back, so I surely won't damage the watch case. And last but not least, we reassemble the watch bracelet. Finished! What a beauty! The next video will show you how to replace the ball bearing of the oscillation weight. Stay tuned, and thanks again for watching. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and then I see you in the next video. Thank you.